माशाल्लाह बहुत 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 मज़ा आया इनके साथ। एक्चुअली जब से हमने पहले बातचीत शुरू की कि हम ये शो स्टॉपर करेंगे, फिर क्या पहनेंगे, किस तरह का कट और स्ट्रक्चर होगा आउटफिट का, उनका कोर बिलीफ क्या है एज ए डिज़ाइनर, हमने इस शो पे बाकी शो से कहीं ज़्यादा मेहनत की, क्योंकि ये इनका कृषा बजाज का सबसे पहला शो है LFW के लिए, एंड आई वांटेड इट टू बी मेमोरेबल, एंड सो आई हैव टू से when she dresses you like this, कोई भी इंसान कमाल लगे, you feel good, you feel very very like an individual. I think हमारे देश में हम साड़ी को बहुत दर्जा देते हैं because it's got the power of expressing itself, but at the same time as a woman you should have a choice to express yourself like this as well. So when she came to me and she said we're going to do this mad black elegant but very sexy outfit, I said how sexy, and she said skin and full on skin work on it, and I didn't know that when she would prepare it and it would come. हमने सिर्फ एक ही ट्रायल किया आउटफिट का and it sat perfectly. अभी 2 मिनट पहले इनके माता पिता से बात कर रही थी, मिस्टर मिसेस बजाज से, कि मैंने इन्हें बहुत छोटा देखा है, और उस वक्त वो कहती थी कि मेरा सपना है मुझे फैशन डिजाइनिंग करना है। उसके बाद ये लंदन गई, लॉस एंजलिस गई, पेरिस पार्सन स्कूल गई, इतना सब पढ़ने के बाद she's back to her hometown and her home country, and it makes me so proud that our coming generation of fashion will look like this. So
this collection is all about powerful women. It's about brains, it's about beauty. And there's no one better than, you know, Sushmita, and nerves will always be there because compared to her there's no one else that could ever look this good.
Oh, I mean,
I am always very very happy and proud when you see a young person not started out too long ago getting an opportunity like this, and the opportunity is created because she must be good. And today she's proved it, and I think Sushmita walked out and showed her so much love and affection. It's just a testament of the fact that she endorses what that young girl does. I was very impressed. I really was. Isha Bajaj, I think it's the first ever opportunity, and let's see what she does. We invest in the youth, don't we?
That's very kind of you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Actually the truth is मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत की थी मॉडलिंग से, और स्पेशली रैम्प शोज से, तो मुझे जब भी मौका मिलता है मुझे लगता है जैसे I go back to my roots, I go back to live interaction, and thanks to all of you media people and all the people that were sitting there today on the show. They clapped so hard, they screamed so hard that the energy just makes you feel like, I just think that actually comes from being a woman. हर एक औरत में अपनी एक नज़ाकत होती है. I try to demonstrate it a lot more, but I truly believe that every woman has.
Of course, I have done that too, but I am not the perfect shape or the age to be wearing designers' clothes. But never mind. I've also walked a ramp a few times in my life. I've even fallen off a ramp. And that just goes to show how dangerous it is to involve me in any fashion adventure. But yes, I'm very happy to do anything to encourage youngsters. It's my thing.
सबसे बड़ा फैशन टिप, आज के बाद से हर एक लड़की को कम से कम एक आउटफिट त्रिशा बजाज के यहाँ से होना बहुत जरूरी है, because that will tell you that you have to be in great shape to wear it, so you have to keep yourself fit, and the other is you are looking at the fashion of the future.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.